got you searching in circles, hopping on interstates. Machines moving congruent to how you ventilate. Try to stay outside the lines, but read between them anyways. You need a break, maybe a dinner date. Filet fish to remind you a trip took on the lake.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys a little bit of my closet. The last video I did not take you guys into my closet because let's be honest, I am a semi-hoarder and I'm not the most organized person. So my closet is not the place that you come inside and just go in because you would get lost, you know? So I'm just keeping it real. So let's take a look into my closet and see what I have in store for you guys. My closet is not that glam, but let's take a look. Okay, so I know I said it's probably not that like a regular person's closet, but I think this is pretty regular standard for me. This is just my winter clothes. I need to switch out, but let's take a look what's in here. So the right side I did not do. My friend came over and helped me. As you can see, all the hangers are the same, all aligned. The folding, I fold most of my clothing in my bedroom. I have a dresser in there, and the left side, I did that. It's not the best, but as I said, you know, organizing is not my thing. I have a lot of black clothes. I'm a hairstylist, so I guess that makes sense, but it's kind of overkill. I have a problem. I buy basically like the same things over and over and over again. My favorite dress. I got this dress from like Fashion Nova. I still haven't get it to wear. I put it on and take a picture for Instagram, but maybe one day I would really wear it in the summertime or something. No, I don't even know what type of dress this is. If it's a summertime dress or not, but it's cute. I also don't spend a lot of money in my closet. This may look like a lot of clothes, but I promise you, I don't spend a lot of money on clothes. Half of this stuff is Fashion Nova, Zara, a little bit of Forever 21. That's probably just it, honestly. Zara. Zara. I have a lot of shoes. Like, I feel like I have more shoes than shirts, which is really weird, but I have probably 80 pairs of shoes. I am a Vans collector. I absolutely love all the Vans. This one is like a limited edition, super cute. It was actually not even made properly. Like, I love Vans because I have fat feet. Like, I'm not scared to say, like, I have extremely fat feet. I get that from my grandma. So I'm not able to get any like bins right now or anything for my shoes. So I'm just storing my boots on the floor. These are probably my most ridiculous pair of shoes. Like, people see these and they're like, oh, what do you do for a living? Well, you see. Get to the glam. This is the part you guys have all been waiting for. I'm excited. So I don't know if you guys remember, but I had a door here. And I mean, it's still there. But I covered it up with a shelving unit. So basically, it's a bookcase. And I turned it into a closet. Like, I'm turning it into a mini closet. So let's take a look. Say the truth, tell me what you need me to do. Lay the room, baby, I've been feeding for you. If not now, then let's not force it. I'll wait for you, you're that important. Chase your dream. So I interlocked 2 command strips on this chandelier. And the chandelier is only 2 pounds, so it's not that heavy and it won't fall down. It's able to hold up to 14 pounds each. If I left you alone, I know you'd be missing it. It's hard to put in words, baby, I know it is. But tell me you're the one for me. Yeah. I added these lights in to give it more of a glam look. I do love them, but I do wish that they were motion censored, but I still love them a lot. On the other side, you'll see that I added a tension rod instead of using the shelves in order to hang some of my coats and some of my dresses. These are probably my favorite, although they hurt a lot. The back, the detail at the back is legit everything. So this is one of my favorites. It has like snake print on it and the floral design. I started buying a lot of flats from Kristen Louis because I felt like their heels hurt so much. Like, I shouldn't have to pay all this money for a pair of shoes and then dread wearing them. So I just started buying flats. I think that's the best thing to do. Buy your summertime flats and call it a day. Get your money's worth. This is my favorite shoe. And even my friend Tia, like, she always makes fun of me because she goes, Jessica kills everything. Look at the shoe. Look at the shoe. I don't even think they're not red no more, but I mean, they could be resold, but like, it's legit messed up from the top to the bottom, but whatever. Still my favorite shoes. I still get stopped in the street for them, so I don't feel that bad. My absolute favorite. Like, I wear them all the time when I'm on vacation. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you guys stay safe and stay clean, healthy, wash your hands, do all that you guys have to do so that I can see you again. But seriously, thank you guys for watching my video. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Sending you guys some positive energy right now because I know we all need it. And have a great rest of your day.